Hello mathematicians, we are going to do more problems together. Alright, number 1. We have 4 and we don't have any other constant to multiply it to. And then we have a base of u and a base of v. So there's nothing to multiply together, so that answer is just the same as the problem. Number 2, we want to multiply all of our coefficients together first, so that would be 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 would be 8. I have an x and an x here, so x times x squared. If there's no exponent written, we know that that is an exponent of 1. So I take 1 plus 2, so I have x to the third power, and then no other y's, so I still have y squared. And that would be my answer. Number 3, multiply all of our coefficients together. So I have 3 times negative 2, which would be negative 6. Typically, you write if you have multiple variables, you write them in alphabetical order, or at least that's what I do. So I don't have any other x's to combine with, so I have x cubed, but I do have y's. I have y to the fourth times y to the fourth. So we add those exponents. 4 plus 4 would be 8. And that's my final answer. Number 4, multiply our coefficients first. 4 times 3 would be 12. And then combine any of the same variables that we have. So m to the power of 3 times m to the power of 3. 3 plus 3 would be m to the power of 6. N cubed times n cubed. 3 plus 3 would be n to the power of 6. All right, number 5, multiply all of our coefficients together first. So we have 2 times 2, which would be 4. Let's combine our m's first. M to the fourth times m squared times m cubed. Add your exponents. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 would be 9, so m to the power of 9. P, we have p times p cubed times p squared, so that's 1. 1 plus 3, which would be 4, plus 2 would be 6, so we have p to the power of 6. And then last, combine our q's. Why is it going to jump on me every time I try to write? Okay. Q cubed times q squared times q to the fourth. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 would be 9. So we have q to the ninth. And that would be our final answer because we have no more like bases to combine and no more coefficients to multiply. All right, number 6, let's multiply coefficients first. 2 times 3 would be 6. Combine the like bases. H squared times h cubed. 2 plus 3 would be h to the fifth. There's only one j, so j to the fourth. And k squared times k to the fourth. 2 plus 4 would be 6. And again, we have no more like bases to combine together, so that would be our final answer. Number 7, multiply coefficients first. 2 times negative 2 would be negative 4. Combine like bases. M cubed times m cubed. 3 plus 3 would be m to the power of 6. And n to the fourth times n to the fourth. 4 plus 4 is 8. And that would be our final answer. And last, let's multiply our coefficients together. Negative 2 times negative 4 would be positive 8, and positive 8 times 2 would be 16. X times x to the fourth. Remember, if there's no exponent written, we know it's 1. So 1 plus 4 would be x to the 5th. Y, that's the only y, so just y. And z to the 4th times z cubed times z squared. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 would be 9. That would be our final answer. All right, your homework is going to look similar to this. It's not going to be quite as many variables, but it will look similar to this. So happy mathing as always. And if you got to the end of this video, put an emoji in the chat, whatever one you want.